Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you all doing well. Today, I have got something truly special to dive into the Centy Toys Ambassador Taxi. If you're a fan of the classic cars or just love a piece of Indian history, this video is for you. Before we dive into detail, let's unbox it. As it's a miniature version of the iconic Indian Ambassador Taxi that brings back many memories. It was one of the beloved cars that was an essential in the northern parts of India, symbolizing the good times. It once dominated the roads in India and continues to hold a special place in hearts. And Centy Toys has brilliantly recreated this iconic black and yellow beauty, and have got to say, they have done an amazing job. First off, let's talk about the features. This die-cast car isn't just for display, it's got a working model. It has a pull-back functionality, and yes, the doors actually opens. And you can get a peek at the detailed interior that makes this model stand out. From the finely detailed interior to the functional wheels, every aspect of this taxi screams quality. And speaking of quality, let's touch on the build. Made from the unbreakable and non-toxic plastic, and it's a sturdy looking die-cast car. So that's a score. I tested it out myself, and trust me, it survived without a scratch. Pretty impressive, right? This pullback toy car isn't just fun, it's a slice of history that you can hold in your hands. So whether you are a collector or just someone who appreciates the charm of the classic cars, the Centy Toys Ambassador Taxi is a fantastic addition to any collection. I hope you enjoyed this review as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Ambassador Taxi. Do you have any memories or stories to share? I would love to hear them. And hey, if you want to see more awesome reviews and updates, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.